Hi, and welcome to NBCC Mayor Mashi's Heavy Equipment Service Technician Program. My name is Daryl McTavish, and I hope to provide you with a brief orientation to our program here in the Mayor Mashi. With that, our heavy equipment program is structured to train students in, or hopefully to achieve a career in the heavy equipment service industry. Our program is broken down into various courses that will introduce students to, first of all, shop safety. And right from the beginning, we try and emphasize the importance of working safely and how you can control the various hazards and risks associated with the trade and your various service applications that you'll be carrying on in a daily basis. We will also introduce various components under a course called Vehicle Service, in which we will attempt to familiarize students with the importance of being able to locate the various service manuals to help you carry out your daily service requirements, whether it be a operator's manual, maintenance lubrication manual, or an actual service and repair manual. It is a must that you are able to locate the appropriate service procedure and follow the various steps in order to conduct a repair. We will then introduce you to what they refer to as a lubrication and service section, where you will perform servicing, whether it's a pre-start or post-start inspection on a piece of equipment, or as well you will carry out various service procedures such as oil and lubrication services on a piece of equipment. Um, with that, in the end, we are trying to achieve and make you, aware of the importance of the safety associated with each of these service procedures as well. You will also, during your course on the Miramichi with heavy equipment service technician program, we have a course referred to as blades, undercarriage, and tires. We will introduce you to track type undercarriages, where we will learn to actually block a piece of heavy equipment up, and with that we'll learn how to remove the track from each side of a piece of track type equipment, whether it be an excavator or a dozer. We'll learn the various service techniques and procedures required to service buckets and blades, whether you're removing cutting edges or installing teeth. There's also a new unit in our curriculum where we'll introduce you to the various types of steering systems in our industry, and as well the components that are necessary to make these individual steering systems function. We'll move on to whether it be a electrical and electronic service procedure, or learning how to diagnose the electrical system on a piece of equipment, whether it be a battery, whether it be a wiring harness, or actually maybe even a lighting system. So with that, we'll learn the basic techniques in each of these service procedures. We'll look at a section or a course on the introduction to basic engine principles. You'll learn about like engine cooling systems, engine air filtration and exhaust systems. You'll learn an introduction to fuel systems as well. We'll also look at the world of brake systems, whether it is a hydraulically operated brake system or a air actuated brake system. With that, we'll look at each individual system, or we'll try to, and with that, we'll introduce you to all the components that make these brake systems function, and as well the removal and the installation of the various components associated with a everyday or daily service procedure to maintain a safe braking system on a piece of equipment. As well, in our program, there's also a work practicum which is 3 weeks in duration, and students who have successfully completed all the required program courses that have been attempted prior to the end of our program or towards the duration at the end of our program will be permitted to go to an approved service shop in your local community. Once again, we have to approve that. But with that being said, you will get introduced to the everyday service procedures that a new technician will be required to carry out on a daily basis. So with that, we look forward to meeting new prospective students in the near future. And with that, our training facility is state-of-the-art. We're very proud of it, and we look forward to meeting new and potential students in the future. So thank you for your time, and take care.